I'm going to show you how to prep your page from a coloring book. This is my coloring book, my first one. And I'm going to prep this page so I can color it with acrylic paint. I already did it right here. And what this does, since the pages are so thin, and I'm going to use wet medium on here, the gesso that I'm going to use is this. And it helps to coat, put like a sealer, a coat on it to protect the page so it won't easily bleed through. The paint won't easily bleed through. So, and I tried this and I not put too much because I want to still be able to see the image underneath. Oops, they. Sorry, I definitely put too much. Came out. But hopefully it'll work for me. And I will put it not just on the image, I will put it on the back in case you want to do a background color, add color to the background. So this actually worked out fine. So you can still see the image. And the page may buckle just a little bit, not too much. And yeah, just smooth it out so the surface will be smooth. And sometimes stuff will fall out. And I'm going to add a little bit more to the outside, to the perimeters of the page. And this particular brand is kind of thick. I haven't used it in a while, but it's still good. This is relatively inexpensive, this one. So you don't need to get anything real expensive for your coloring pages. And I would do the strokes going in the same direction, just so you can have a more smoother surface. And this is how you prep your page, your coloring page. And you may not be able to see it, but you can see that there's a nice little coat on top of the image. And once it's dry, you can proceed to painting it. And this is what mine looks like. And I want to say thank you for watching.